I just invested in the RodeCaster video. I'm going to flip the screen around and do an unboxing. I might as well catch my reaction in real time. Here, clean off my camera lens. There it is. For some context, it just crossed 900,000 downloads on my podcast. And so this is my whole thing. And I already have the other RodeCaster, but this is the video with the switching, all right? So let's open it up right now. All right, here we go. Okay. Wow. All right. Wow, this is solid. It's heavy. It feels super legit. Like, wow. Look at that. Like, this is a quality piece of gear, bro. Or broette. Okay, sweet. Let's crap out here. What's in here? I've got tons of gear that I should be reviewing. Oh, wow. Okay. So I've monetized my podcast and I make money at it. So it's a business and I can afford to buy this stuff and write it off because it's a legit. So I'm going to plug all this in, get it working. And for context, I already have this A10 Mini Pro. I've outgrown it because it doesn't auto switch. I got a studio booth. It's just a beat machine. Oh, here it is. The RodeCaster Pro. It's a great piece of equipment, but combined with the A10 Mini, the switching and the audio is the problem with it. It's the audio is the problem. Because here's why. I got microphones up the wazoo. But basically, when you're recording a podcast with the RodeCaster, it's great, but then you run all the video cameras and the switchers and stuff. So I got the C200, I got the C70, I got a bunch of cameras. If you run the audio through the A10 Mini, it sounds like crap. It's a whole bunch of stuff you have to do. So what I do is I record the audio independently and listen to this. I take that real crispy audio off the RodeCaster Pro, and then I have to plug it into an editor, Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut, DaVinci Resolve, whatever, and then I got to sync the audio. But the audio that records on the RodeCaster Pro compared to what burns on the solid state drive for the A10 Mini, it's off by a couple milliseconds. So you got to go in and compress or shrink the whole thing and find the sweet spot to where the lips match. And we recorded this whole thing one day in 4K, a 2-hour podcast. It cost me $4,000 and 4 months to get this podcast edited because it was all in 4K. It's a whole different problem. So that's why we record podcasts in high quality 1080p and we sync the vocals right then and there. And what I just said, you might be like, what do you mean? No, that's easy. Nuh-uh. I'm talking 2.5 hour long podcasts in 4K all the way through. Totally different animal. You need a $20,000 computer to edit that shit. Anyways, that's the unboxing. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. I'm excited. I just got my YouTube play button. Peace.